Today, we're donating these gently used kitchen items to 3 local charities. And who better to help us than our 2-timing mayor?
3-time mayor.
First things first, how would you like me to address you? Ken, Mr. Boschkoff, or Mr. Mayor?
Well, none of the above. The formal title is Your Worship. Don't you forget it.
Okay, Your Worship. Hi, I'm Fiona, the Clean Kitchen Coach, and I'm on a mission to show the people of Thunder Bay how donating their gently used items can benefit the community. Make sure you watch to the end because I said so.
Let's do this! Even look like a... Ow! Right in the eye.
Do you ever thrift? Are you a thrifter?
No.
I'm a thrifter because
Okay.
I like that it's saving the environment. I also like that I save money because I have to watch every dollar now so that I can afford to park at the Marina.
Ken, but you can call me Ken.
Thank you for your donation. You have a good day.
You bet. Cheers. Take
And how
care.
do you feel about us going inside and you can see what the store looks like? Our first stop is the CCA, Community Clothing Assistance. Now this has become my go-to when I'm dropping off donations on behalf of my clients. And the reason why I've chosen them is because their mission is absolutely incredible. Anything that they get donated to them, they return into the community to people in need, absolutely free of charge, which is incredible. So have you ever shopped here yourself? No. So I have a challenge for you.
A challenge. All right, I'm ready.
The challenge is who can find the most quintessential Thunder Bay item in the CCA?
Ah,
Should we set a time limit?
yes.
Okay.
7 days.
Found something.
I'm not letting her see what I have.
What did you find?
I got this. The kindest way to say this is, I think you just got whooped.
I admit defeat.
And even local businesses. I'm actually going to buy this because it's a full can of shaving creams. Here we go. Thank you.
I have strategically mapped out our route to avoid any major potholes, which means we aren't going to be traveling anywhere near Port Arthur.
We have the least potholes per capita in Canada.
As the mayor of Thunder Bay, are there any projects that you're working on to keep our city green and beautiful?
Actually, we have a standing committee called Clean, Green and Beautiful that has representation from numerous community organizations and citizens. So they are on the ball. They have many projects completed and many projects ongoing. But we cooperate with the Conservation Authority in terms of many of our projects too. And so when you see things, even the Horticultural Society in Thunder Bay is very active in terms of their plantings. Say we have pretty excellent community buy-in. Where to next?
On our way to the Dewdrop Inn.
Let's do that.
All types of food donations, perishable, non-perishable, anything that's prepared in an inspected kitchen in Thunder Bay is welcome.
I did have our route mapped out today, but I guess you just vetoed that decision.
Enhancing a decision is far from a veto.
Are there any charities in Thunder Bay that you would like to encourage the citizens to donate to?
Well, as mayor, of course, I tend to try and focus my charitable donations on local operations. So many worthy causes, but if you have to make a choice, think about your neighbor.
2 hours later.
And to our left, at Magnus Seder here, this is the Ken Boschkoff tent that is now allowing them to have summer theater, rain or shine.
Hi, I'm Michael. I'm the Executive Director of the Dewdrop Inn. We welcome all types of food donations, perishable, non-perishable, anything that's prepared in an inspected kitchen in Thunder Bay is welcome. You can come our way. These donations are incredibly helpful for our feeding program. We're serving 400 to 600 people a day, depending on the time of the month, and we go through a lot of food.
Now we're off to the Humane Society because I am not above using cute puppies to increase my watch time hours. We're at the Thunder Bay District Humane Society. I've got some towels to donate to them, but while we're here, let's pet some cats.
Let's do that.
Hi, I'm Shauna from the Thunder Bay and District Humane Society, here to talk about donations that we accept. We rely a lot on in-kind donations here at the shelter. We accept any kind of animal-related items such as toys, treats, pet food, leashes, collars, kennels, you name it. When it's related to cats and dogs, we'll definitely take it. Also, we go through a ton of towels, sheets, cat beds, dog beds. Things that we don't accept are pillows, big fluffy comforters that the animals can get in and tear apart and possibly consume. Also things that can't be sanitized easily.
Thanks for all your help with the donations today. I had a fabulous time.
As
And
I did too. It was just a great day. So it's a generous community too.
so I have to get going home now though, because tomorrow's my recycling day, and if I leave now, I might have enough time to drag that enormous can down to the road for tomorrow.
Always a shot at the big.
2 hours later.
And that concludes our show today. Thank you for joining us. It was just great.